All right, what's up, everybody? This is Ketos FX. Let's do a recap of a trade that it took last week. Euro yen price has gone very well with a 190 pips to TP1. The entry was 0.61 fib level at potential 4 hours demand and supply zone. Precise entry, very good sniper. Precise exiting, very good reversal. So this is very much important to look upon. Then let's go to top-down analysis to observe what really happened, how I was able to capitalize and take this trade. Just in case Euro JPY have been bullish for quite some times, for a long period of time. This pair has been going bullish, so we need to establish where do the price targets go, right? Like you see here, I mapped these 3 months, as you see, liquidity in the long run that I'm hoping price will go to this point, okay? By then, you could perhaps see this market is trending bullish. Here at the monthly scenario zone, price rejecting, going to the downside. You see the hanging shadows from 3 months time frame are very severe for at least a year. These are the 4 quarters of a year. It's a year that this 3 months lower high has never been broken to confirm a shift of structure. So all sales were merely a retracement. Then let's look at the monthly time frame in order to capitalize and add more meaning. So you see here, monthly time frame, we are also bullish. Let us look at the trend. It's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We have a break of this resistance zone. So I just took a continuation of the monthly time frame. Now, weekly time frame. So 3 months time frame, we are buying. Monthly time frame, we are buying in sync with what's happening with also weekly time frame. I think the internet is quite a bit slower. All right, it's just now happened. Okay, fine. Now, what's happening with weekly time frame? It's the same structure. A very strong resistance zone has been broken above, retesting here, creating a new lower high, higher high, higher low. Then we have a weekly higher low here and the weekly higher high there. All right, here's where I started to capitalize my entry. This is where I started to be very careful with taking this continuation trade. Okay, what are the key factors? We have the zone of business is between weekly higher low and weekly higher high, but we have had this Marubuza candlestick engulfed the previous 2 weeks. All right, so what do you expect? To have a little bit of pullback, retesting these hidden WLL liquidities before we push to the upside. It's easy, just a matter of being patient, right? This is Forex now. You need to understand these patterns, and repeatedly, these patterns are happening. So it's just a matter of capitalization. Once they occur, you just take a trade without hesitation, right, guys? Then the time frame was a good bullish. You see the higher high, the higher low, retesting this validation point of the weekly time frame resistance zone, which was broken and retested. Then what else? High, low, high. You need to have a higher low and then continue with the bullish side. Then the time frame is moving bullish in sync with what's happening in the weekly and the monthly time frame. Then in 4 hours time frame, here is where I ended all the business and get capitalization of my trade. Like, all right, let's figure out this trade here now. We understand that all these sales was a trend to a retracement. So we are focusing now with what's happening now. This is how we do trade perfectly. Focus on what's happening now. Right? We have the high, the low, the higher high, the higher low. We had a very long higher high. That's why I took my Fibonacci level, from this outside formation swing low to this swing high. All right. Then a test came at the potential 4 hours support and resistance zone, 61% fib level, 190 pips to take profit, TP1. You see, precise entry, precise exit, and now price is giving us a major reversal. It is what it is, guys. Sometimes I don't have to go to the lower time frame. Look at the drawdown. How many pips went for drawdown? It was only 12 pips for drawdown, right? And I reached the 36 pips because a PMV for Euro JPY has a ratio of 1 to 4, 1 to 4 for PMV, pip to money value. So I normally for JPY's pairs, I reached about 40 pips depending with which time frame I have figured out my setup. So it is what it is, and this is got to see effects.